Welcome to the deep dive. We got this really interesting audio file from you called How Are You at coloring.mp3.
Yeah, it's quite something.
So we wanted to explore its core message today. Our mission, really, is to unpack the key ideas it offers about living, well, a vibrant and meaningful life. Just for you listening.
It's surprisingly deep for such a short piece. Lots of great imagery in there.
Okay, so let's jump in. First, big idea. Life as a canvas.
Yeah.
The audio literally says it's brushed with the colors of choice. What's your take on that metaphor?
Well, the big thing, I think, is the agency it gives you.
Right.
Life isn't just something that happens to you. You, the listener, you're the artist. You're actively shaping it with every single choice.
So every decision is like a brushstroke.
Exactly. Big ones, small ones. They all add, color and texture to your own unique painting. It's quite powerful when you think about it.
It really is. It stresses our role in it all.
Yeah.
And then it moves pretty quickly to encouraging us to scribble outside the lines.
Yeah, and to see our unique quirks, not as flaws, but as a superpower.
What's the significance of that? Thinking about our individuality that way.
Well, it pushes back against that constant pressure we feel, to fit in.
Right. To conform.
Yeah, and it suggests that the very things that make us different, maybe the things we even try to hide sometimes, those are actually our strengths. It's a real call for, radical self-acceptance. Your unique viewpoint is valuable because it's different.
Okay, I really like this next bit. The idea of seizing moments like fireflies.
Oh, that's beautiful imagery.
It is, and turning them into constellations of wonders. It just paints such a clear picture.
What's key there, I think, is the focus on being intentional and memory.
How so?
Well, catching a firefly.
Yeah.
It takes focus, right? You have to be present.
Yeah, you do.
It's the same with moments. You need to actually be there to experience them fully. And then by holding on to those moments, remembering them, you build this personal collection.
Like your own personal sky full of stars.
Exactly. These constellations of wonders. It creates a richer story for your life, a brighter narrative.
So it's not just watching life go by. It's really engaging with it.
Precisely. Active engagement.
Okay, then the audio pivots a bit, talking about how we interact with the world. It urges us to be peculiar and also to beam positivity.
Yeah. They seem a little different at first glance.
How do they connect, do you think?
I think the idea is that when you really embrace your authentic self, your peculiarity, as it calls it, your positivity becomes more genuine, more effective.
Okay, so not forcing it.
Right. If you're not trying to be someone you're not, that positive energy you put out is just more real. It's more likely to actually connect with people and make an impact, like a real smile versus a fake one.
That makes a lot of sense. And it all kind of builds up to this final thought, which is quite lovely. The bright stars are the ones that shine for others.
Yes. That really ties everything together, doesn't it? It links our own sort of inner vibrancy to something bigger.
To a purpose outside ourselves.
Exactly. It raises that question about fulfillment. Is it just about my success, my achievements? Or does true brightness, true meaning, come from how we positively affect the people around us?
And the audio clearly lands on the second option.
It does. It suggests that a truly meaningful life is deeply interconnected. It's not lived in isolation.
So wrapping this up for everyone listening, the essence of How Are You at coloring.mp3 seems to be this. Your life. It's your canvas. You color it with your choices.
Right.
Your uniqueness, your quirks. Those are your strengths, your superpower.
Embrace them.
And grab those fleeting moments. Cherish them. Let your real, authentic positivity shine out.
And remember that shining brightly often means shining for others.
It's fundamentally about agency, self-acceptance, and connection.
Spot on. A really empowering message.
Definitely. Okay, so here's a final thought to leave you with, building on that last point. How might really focusing consciously on the positive impact your everyday actions have on other people? How might that change the way you actually make your choices day to day, even the small ones?
That's a powerful lens to consider.
Something to think about. Thanks for exploring this with us today.